Hello everybody, I'm Captain Chris and we are in Vero Beach, right here where my thumb is. So if you're cruising through town up the Intercoastal Waterway, stop by in Vero Beach, or if you don't have a boat yet, you can join us in one of our classes, Cruising Fundamentals 101, and I've got a couple of quizzes for you right now. If you're cruising west into the evening sun and you see this black triangle, here's the quiz. What color is the black triangle? Remember, this is the shady side, so it is actually a red day marker. And what's special about this red day marker? It has a yellow decal on the top, and that denotes it is the Intracoastal Waterway. So looking at the shadow side of a triangle, that means it is a red day marker, except you cannot see the red color. An easy way to remember this is RENT, R-E-N-T, red, see the red color, even number, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and a triangle, R-E-N-T, red even number triangle. Let's ask an even more difficult question. Again, into the evening sunset, and you see this. What is it? It's a black square, but not really. It's the shadow side. So what color is this? Let's go with the acronym first. S-O-N-G, song. Square, odd number, green. You might also think about Jolly Green Giant comes in a can. So if it were a buoy, it would be a flat top can buoy. And it's got a yellow decal. I am an Intracoastal Waterway, ATON. ATON's another word you may not be familiar with. A-T-O-N means aid to navigation, ATON. Some people call them channel markers, buoys, whatever you want to use the word for, they are ATONs. That means it's intracoastal. Square means it's green and an odd number. And the triangle means it is red with an even number. Want to learn more about navigation, rules of the road, trip planning, galley tricks, anchoring, and a whole lot more? Join us in Vero Beach, Cruising Fundamentals, and look at the narrative underneath this video so you can link to more information. If you've got questions, ask Captain Chris.